പ്രതികരണങ്ങൾ ലഭ്യമാണ് അതിലേക്ക്.
How many deaths is there till now?
So far 10 missing complaints, 7 bodies we have recovered, 3 people are still missing.
How advanced we can search with that alarm?
No, the technical people have to come. They are joining us shortly, so we will also take a briefing from them and it will be done immediately.
Madam, what is the current situation there?
Ellie. Work is going on. People are there. Almost you can see 60-70 people are there working continuously. Work is going on.
Ma'am, can you reveal from how many meters?
You explain.
Can you reveal the names of the missing peoples?
Police will. SP ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Okay. Sir. Yeah. Sir, can you reveal? Wait. Hey, Baba. Please. Can you reveal the missing people's details?
So now one Arjun from Kerala, the truck driver is there, and other one Naik, lady from Uluvare village, and one more person is missing, unknown, but maybe it is a driver or a cleaner. Then 3 people we still have to find.
Lorry GPS location exactly traced. Then what is the problem to?
Problem is the highest river flowing there, and also landslides is continuously happening, and the rain is stopped us our thing. But up to 400 meters mud we are tirelessly cleared till night. One side is now clear now. We are just reaching the center point of the where GPS is supposed to be there according to the company, and we have summoned the high metal detector and NIT radar also, where Kerala CMs are also requested here, and that is on the way, and entire Navy and NDRF are there. So today by afternoon 1 to 2 hours we are able to reach that point.
Is that enough the equipment?
Yes, we are very occupied, and under 100 and 200 people are working tirelessly for since 6 days. So this same work will continue till the rescue of Arjun.
Arjun family alleged rescue operations were fast.
They can come and see. They're already family members
already
are here.
Family members are here.
They are
seeing
with us. What is happening?
They are giving us complete support from here. So they are also on field. We have got their confidence also. We are doing the work.
See, thing is why we stopped here means it is a very dangerous place. We cannot take your lives into risk. So whatever press briefings there, we are sending to your Kerala media people are there. Your officers also reached here from Kasaragod. Police are here, RTOs are here. They are all overseeing, and we are taking the family members also with us to see what is happening. So need not to worry. Whatever rescue operations there, we will brief you on the time.
How difficult is as far as the amount of mud is?
Yeah, difficult. That's why now 4 days it took 4. No, it is entire mud is there on the road, and it's very narrow road. As for the NDRF and experts' opinion, we are doing our level best.
Sir, there is a report that central minister will
Yes. It is happening. It is happening. Thank you.
We would request the media also. Kindly cooperate with us. It is very unsafe on the other side, so that is why you please understand that is why we have cordoned off the area. We will give you an update, hourly update. Our information officer will keep sending you photos and videos on the progress of work. I will connect you to them. So kindly cooperate, please.
One of the Kerala media officer, ACNet, is already in touch with us. Yesterday also a lot of people are there. So you form one group and send it me with my number, so that whatever happening already it is putting on our SP Carver's X account. You can see live streaming. Because of security reasons, we are not able to reach you for your safety. That's all. For exchanging all the information about the operation details, no problem to us. We are not hiding anything. Our family members are there, and your people are there. Officers from.
രണ്ട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ എടുത്തു പറയണം. ഒന്ന്, ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് മറയ്ക്കാനൊന്നുമില്ല. ഏറ്റവും അവസാനം പറഞ്ഞതാണ്, ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് മറയ്ക്കാനൊന്നുമില്ല, എല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണാം. ഈ പരാതി പറയുന്ന കുടുംബാംഗങ്ങളെ വരാൻ പറയൂ, മറ്റു കുടുംബാംഗങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട് എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. മറുവശത്ത് വലിയ അപകടകരമായ ഭൂപ്രകൃതിയുള്ള ഒരിടമാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങളെപ്പോലും അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് കയറ്റിവിടാത്തത്. പക്ഷേ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കൃത്യമായ വിവരങ്ങൾ ഓരോ മണിക്കൂറിലും എത്തിക്കാനുള്ള സംവിധാനം ഞങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുക. അതൊക്കെ നല്ലത് തന്നെ. പക്ഷേ ഈ കുടുംബാംഗങ്ങളോട് വന്ന് കാണൂ. കളക്ടർ ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. കളക്ടർ പറഞ്ഞെന്താണ്, 60-70 പേർ അവിടെ കാണുന്നില്ലേ നിങ്ങൾ, ഇപ്പോഴും ജോലിയിൽ ആണ് എന്ന്. ഈ 70 പേരൊക്കെ മതിയോ 5-ാം ദിവസം ഒന്ന് ചിന്തിക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് ഒരു മാനുഷികമായി ചിന്തിക്കുമ്പോൾ വലിയൊരു പ്രശ്നമുണ്ട് അതിൽ. 60-70 പേർ കറക്റ്റ് കണക്ക് പോലും കളക്ടർക്ക് അറിയില്ല. അങ്ങനെ അവരവിടെ സേവന പ്രവർത്തനമായി ഉണ്ട്, രക്ഷാപ്രവർത്തനമായി ഉണ്ട് എന്നങ്ങ്
ഒരു കുടുംബം കാത്തിരിക്കുമ്പോഴാണ്
പറയുകയാണ്.
ഇത്രയും വലിയ
എന്നിട്ട്
അധികാരിയുടെ
വന്ന് നോക്കാൻ പറയൂ എന്നാണ്. അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ പറയേണ്ട കാര്യമുണ്ടോ?